Hello, my name is Joanne McFarlane. I'm here at the Business School. I'm speaking today with Stephen Osborne, Professor in Public Management. Thank you for speaking with me today, Stephen. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, my name is Stephen Osborne. I've been here since 2006 and my work looks at the management of services both across public and private sectors, and I'm Director of the Centre for Service Research.
Can you summarise what your research topics and research areas are?
Most of my work looks at understanding public services as value creation enterprises and looking at how public services can provide resources for citizens to build value in their own lives. And we do this across a whole range of public service contexts in the public, private and third sectors.
And what has the impact of your research been?
Well, I'm tempted to say you should ask our participants and readers for that, but I think one of the things it's done is to raise understanding of the idea of public services as services. A lot of public management theory traditionally has drawn upon manufacturing for its inspiration and has tried to treat public services as if they're products. What I've said and what our colleagues around the world have now been saying for a decade or more is that actually you need to understand public services as services, and that you need to understand the way that they're trying to create value in people's lives. So our work explores that in a range of different contexts.
What have you done to set these impact changes in motion?
Well, in the longer term, it's been about developing the theory of service-based public services, what we call public service logic. But in more short term, at the moment we're working on a project with Blackwood Housing and Care and a number of partners across the public and private sectors to develop supportive communities for elderly people in Scotland. And so we're working alongside staff, particularly in Blackwood, to help them understand how to co-design services with local citizens and service users, and how to try and build value into their lives. And then subsequent to that, evaluating the success of that and drawing out the lessons, both for this project and for future projects.
And how will this affect your future research?
I think it's part of an ongoing train of research, really. We've been doing this for a decade, and it's an iterative process of testing out ideas, seeing what works well, taking those into the next cycle of research, looking at what the implications are, both for public management theory as a body of theory, but also how it's going to change and impact practice and make the quality of public services better.
And why did you want to make an impact?
To make the quality of public services better, because it's what we should be doing. It's not enough just to write for other academics. We should be doing research which is having an impact on the real world, that is changing the quality of people's services and having the opportunity to enhance the quality of their lives through doing this.
Thank you very much, Stephen.
Yeah, thank you.